Say welcome to our house!
I'm our house!
Alright.
Hi! Will we go in the door? Will you go in the door, Bobby?
I'll keep it on. I don't care if it gets muddy in here.
That door!
Alright.
I'm the one that's gonna have to
Clean it up.
That door's locked! That
That door's locked? No, it's just closed.
Alright, so this is the mudroom. We actually went in through the side entrance.
Welcome home, baby! Here we are.
What do you think, Isaac?
Oh, check out that view.
So here's the back the back sliding door. We chose to face the house towards the pasture to give us a really nice view of the property.
Isaac, stop! Come here, dude.
So we're gonna have a great view. Once that well house is gone, it'll be so much better. So here's our front door. You walk in to the living room. These are just temporary support beams. And then there's the kitchen. We'll end up probably swapping out the island to something different in the future. But we've got a good amount of counter space.
Girl.
And we walk into the master bedroom. We actually have, it's a smaller closet, but it will definitely work. So again, we don't have any electricity in here right now, but this is the master bedroom, or bathroom, sorry, this is the master bathroom with a closet. We've got a nice fireplace here. It'll feel more open once this support structure is out of the way.
Alright, Isaac, want to see your room?
See my room?
Yep, come here. Be
And
careful.
then we've got
Come on, Eden. Isaac, this one's your room. Sometimes you never use something.
one of the other bedrooms. And they get, oh, there's stuff in the way. Got a closet.
Bye, Mommy.
Did you see this?
What? Yeah, they don't have it lined up. Yeah, you can see it on all the joining. Can I have your cell phone so maybe I can FaceTime my mom and show her?
Sure.
That's me, Mommy.
Can I
I
have
wonder
your face?
wonder how they'll fix that being off by a quarter of an inch. It's not the end of the world, but that's definitely a difference. So hopefully they can figure that out.
How do I FaceTime?
Hey Siri, FaceTime Kathy. And we've got the second bathroom. Sorry, again, it's kind of dark in here. So it's a little over 1,500 square feet upstairs
Where's Eden?
behind me.
Hello.
And that's the upstairs. The basement does not have any stairs currently.
Alright, right, husband, tell us what we're doing.
We're gonna go see the house update. See where they're at.
All right, let's go, guys.
See our great set of stairs leading into the house right now.
Isaac, follow Daddy.
From Daddy. Yeah.
Come on, Isaac. Ugh. I hate the feeling of the mud squishing under my feet.
How's Isaac gonna be able to climb this?
Possibly. Come on, Isaac. Hold the door open and I'll... Come on.
Okay, Carrie. Come on, Larry.
All right.
Isaac, come on.
Okay, Mama will just lift you up. Mama's turn.
Mama wants to do Larry. Mama wants to do the Larry.
There. Yeah, Mama climbed the ladder. Not too shabby for a pregnant lady. Oh, first update. We have electricity. All right.
I see you, Mommy.
This is not currently on. That's fine though.
All right.
Well, the wall's finally gone. The temporary wall's gone.
Yeah, we've got the support wall gone. They've started mudding and taping. It's kind of hard to see up close.
I see you, Mommy.
Just wait, buddy. So you can see
Yeah.
all the way around. Oh yeah, is that spinning? Cool. What else have they worked on in here? We've got stairs. Should we go see if there's HVAC work going on down there?
Furnace is down there.
All right, Isaac, walk very careful. Oh, you need to hold my hand? Okay. Good job, buddy.
I need my fireman Jeremy. I didn't buy Jeremy.
Good job, buddy. Oh, look at that. We have a wall.
They had to put in a partial wall so that they could put the air exchange unit somewhere. So I asked them to throw a wall up quickly for the HVAC guys.
Is this where the wall for the bedroom is going to be?
Yeah, at this point, that's where the wall's gonna stop. I mean,
All right.
it's 14 feet.
That's fine. All right, look at that. We have a furnace. Ooh, will mommy fit?
It actually,
I don't know if I'm going to fit through this, guys.
this actually won't be a bad sized bedroom because the stairs end right here. We just put a door right here.
I'm running out of room.
What do you think, Heidi?
Hold on, I'm not listening to you. The usual. Cool. Baby boy, please don't step on that. That's awesome.
So this is going to be a future bedroom in this area. Come down the stairs. Probably just put a door right here. And this will be a decent sized bedroom in the end, I think. You know, it'll be a little more narrow, but it'll work.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, is there wood?
hallway here, and then we'll have another bedroom here, and then bathroom. And then we'll have a nice open area for storage, living room, office, big office down here.
So I'm walking down the hallway. Here's our bathroom.
And then this would all be open past this point.
Yeah.
I mean, plumbing's going to be in this area.
Where's that, Mommy? Where's that, Mommy?
What's what?
That.
Oh, that's just hanging. It's alright. That's just garbage. Leave it.
Oh.
What's up with the dip, Corey?
There's the drain there.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So we got our furnace with, instead of AC, we went with a, wow, I'm having a bad day, heat pump.
Yes.
So the single stage heat pump, so that should help with energy costs for heating.
What does it mean? What is a heat pump?
So instead of the air conditioner, you getting hot air outside, cooler inside, it reverses in the winter. So that it creates heat essentially from the outside air. It's only efficient to, I think I saw like 40 degrees, 38 degrees or warmer. So at that point, our propane would kick in on the furnace.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that will help save propane cost. Even though this year is only $1.08 per gallon, so for 1,000 gallons, it is pretty decent for 1,000 gallons this year. But you never know with propane costs. So that'll be interesting.
What do you think, buddy?
I love peas.
Hey, Isaac, do you think this is going to be your bedroom someday? You going to move to the basement? Yeah? Cool. I'm excited.
Hey, where's that, Mommy? Where's that, Mommy?
I was hoping that they
What?
would have more done.
This is scaffolding. This is so they can climb on top of it to reach the...
But I think we'll have...
Ooh, that doesn't look good. Look at the beam.
Yeah, it's okay.
What do you mean that's okay? It's broken. That doesn't look like it's okay.
That was from them lifting the house.
Okay, it still doesn't look like it's okay. Super cool. Should we walk back upstairs, bud?
I mean, they've already got everything pre-plumbed too, so really there's an inlets for cold and hot over here, but they're gonna have to reroute these right here. They're gonna have to reroute those because we're not gonna have it come down here. It's gonna be back that way.
Then why are they there?
Because that's how this house was planned, and I did not realize that when I was trying to get everything located.
But we told the seller that all of our utilities were going to be over there. So how did that get missed?
This was already pre-plumbed when the house was at one of the homes.
Oh, got you. Got you.
The plumber
Okay.
did not do this work.
Oh, hey, look at all those wires.
Yes. So
Look how neat that is.
Because it's a modular, they ran the lines down here instead of through the attic. I mean, that's fine.
Pretty cool.
I'm just wondering how they're going to do all of these drains now because these might create some bulkheads. I'm not sure. I didn't think about that.
Isaac, please don't play with the filter, baby.
It's going to be interesting,
Leave
that's
it.
for sure.
Meh. Oh,
Say
really?
Dada.
No, don't say dada. Say
Should we go
mama.
upstairs and check out the rest of the house?
Yeah. Isaac, follow daddy.
I mean, once the house was put on, it seems a little bigger down here now.
I mean, it's 1,500 square feet. It's nothing to sneeze at.
Well, yeah, but it just, the width of the house is narrower than our last one.
Well, yes. Okay, buddy,
But
walk
it's
up.
definitely longer.
Walk up, walk up, walk up. Good job. Keep going. No, don't walk down. Walk up. I'll come with you. Walk up. Okay, well, I guess I'm going without you. Are you coming? Okay. You're doing super good. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Very good.